Today I'll be unboxing the iQOO Z3 5G. Let's get started. On the front, you can see the iQOO branding and on the side, iQOO Z3 5G. Let's open the box. First, you can see this yellow lid. Inside the lid, we have a SIM ejector tool and documentation like important information and warranty card, quick start guide. Here is silicone back cover which is going to protect your phone and USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. Here we have iQOO Z3 5G premium looking phone. The phone has a 64 megapixel triple camera setup at the back with iQOO branding. The phone comes in Ace black color. Next, we have a 2-pin wall charger with 30 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the iQOO Z3 5G box.
The volume rocker and power button, and this power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. This side you can see it's very neat and clean. Up top, secondary microphone and SIM tray. And here you can see 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. At the back, phone comes with this glossy finish, also the iQOO branding and camera setup. On the front you get 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display which has 401 ppi and also 120Hz of screen refresh rate, and it also comes with SDR10 Plus support. For your performance you get Snapdragon 768G processor which works on 7nm fabrication, and also for your multitasking you get 6GB of RAM. For camera you get 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel cameras. The 64 megapixel is the primary sensor, the 8 megapixel is the ultra wide and the 2 megapixel is the macro sensor. On the front you get 16 megapixel front camera, and for battery you get 4400 mAh of battery which supports 55 watts of fast charging. For software it comes with Android 11 with FunTouch OS. That's it about the iQOO Z3. Thanks for watching.